In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Calendar from Calendly. If you've switched scheduling tools, changed workplaces, or simply want Calendly to stop reading or writing to your Google account, this quick walkthrough will help you disconnect cleanly without affecting the rest of your setup. Start by opening Calendly. Once you're signed in and looking at your dashboard, head to the Availability section. This is where Calendly determines when people can book with you, based on your schedules and any calendars you've connected. Going here first keeps everything in one place and makes the change immediate across your event types, so you don't have to hunt through separate pages later. Inside Availability, open Calendar Settings. Think of this area as the control center for what Calendly checks to find busy times and where it adds new meetings. You'll see any connected calendars listed here, along with options that indicate whether Calendly should add events to them or use them to block time. Depending on your view, it may be labeled Calendar Settings or something similar, but you're looking for the place that shows your current calendar connections. Find the Google Calendar connection. To remove it, click the small X next to Google Calendar to disconnect. Calendly may ask you to confirm. Choose to proceed. After you confirm, Google Calendar is no longer linked. That means Calendly will stop scanning it for conflicts and will no longer place new bookings on that calendar. The change applies right away and affects your availability across all event types tied to your account. A few quick notes to avoid surprises. Disconnecting does not delete any existing meetings already on your Google Calendar. Those stay put. However, future bookings will not appear there, and busy times from Google Calendar will no longer block your availability in Calendly. If you rely on that calendar to prevent double booking, review your schedules and make sure another calendar is connected or that your availability reflects what you want. If you have more than one Google account, double check you're removing the correct one by looking at the label shown next to the connection. If you change your mind later, you can always return to the same calendar settings area to connect Google Calendar again. Reconnecting will restore availability checks and event ads going forward, and that's it. You've removed Google Calendar from Calendly in just a few clicks, keeping your scheduling clean and under your control. If this was helpful, consider giving your availability settings a quick review so your booking links always reflect the times you want to offer. Thanks for watching.